Hey folks, we're continuing our journey through the top 15 topics in DevOps and SRE. Today's topic is Kubernetes or microservices, question number 102. The question is, before I get to that though, please subscribe to my channel. When I see that somebody has subscribed to my channel, I feel like it's helping somebody, and that motivates me more to do more videos just like this. Um, Yeah, because that helps people. Okay, good. Get to the question. Question today is, explain your approach to monitoring and troubleshooting microservices in a Kubernetes environment. Essentially, if I give you a Kubernetes cluster or two, how would you make sure that they're monitored, and how would you troubleshoot problems in that cluster? So if you want to pause the video for a second, you can do that, and I'm going to go ahead and give you my answer now. So first of all, to add monitoring, almost not always, but nowadays Prometheus and Grafana have become sort of the default monitoring tools, as long as you have Greenfield. Greenfield means that you have the ability to start fresh, right? So a lot of people use other tools, but Prometheus and Grafana are so easy to install and configure, and of course they're free. So, and it comes with all kinds of built-in tools and agents already. So people use those two tools, Prometheus for gathering metrics and Grafana for actually doing dashboards based on those metrics. So that's for metrics. Now for logging, we would use either ELK or FluentD for log aggregation. So you take all the log from all the pods and all the services and send it to an ELK stack. If you don't know what ELK stack is, you should definitely find that out. It's very commonly used. I think it's Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, right? That's a very common way of dealing with logs. FluentD, I'm not too familiar with, but it is a good solution based on Apache projects. I actually would prefer to try FluentD than ELK because ELK has a really high maintenance burden. Okay, so once you've done that, now those are at the infrastructure level, at the service and pods level. Now for actual application errors and metrics, you want to use something. First of all, the key word for that is instrumentation. If you mention the word instrumentation, the interviewer will know what you're talking about. It's the way inside the application, it sends all these metrics that the application developer cares about from the application itself to a tool like Jagger or OpenTelemetry is another one, right? So these are metrics from the application itself, not the Kubernetes cluster and infrastructure. For troubleshooting, of course, the universal tool is the kubectl. There's another one called K9s. It's really, really awesome. If you use Kubernetes at all, you should try it out. It is extremely powerful. You can really blow away the cluster. But because it's powerful, it's also super useful to troubleshoot real life problems in production if we have Kubernetes cluster or two. Okay, I hope this was useful to you. I will see you in the next topic, which will be Terraform. Also a super, super important topic for DevOps interviews. We'll have question number 103 for Terraform in the next video.